Imagine transforming an arid desert into a high-tech agricultural farm capable of growing fresh elderberries. Out under the burning sun, a tracked excavator moves aggressively across golden sand dunes, scraping away the surface gravel to level the floor. Massive, heavy-duty dump trucks tilt their beds, unloading tons of dark organic humus directly onto the cleared sand, creating a striking visual contrast against the yellow desert bed. A John Deere tractor, equipped with a heavy rotary tiller, drives down the plot, its spinning blades mixing compost into the sand to form straight raised planting beds. To secure water in this harsh climate, a deep well drilling rig positions its drill bit and bores deep into the floor, sending clouds of dust into the air. Deep below, the drill pierces an ancient underground aquifer, causing a powerful column of subterranean water to erupt skyward under the golden hour light. With a reliable water source established, production begins inside a high-tech propagation greenhouse. Farm workers meticulously insert hand-cut elderberry plant cuttings into plastic nursery trays filled with specialized coconut coir growing medium. Above the rows, an automated overhead misting system releases a dense cloud of microscopic moisture droplets, coating the cuttings under crisp white LED grow lights that supply photosynthetic light. Within weeks, the cuttings develop strong root systems and workers carefully lift the healthy green saplings out of their nursery trays. Taking them out to the desert farm workers, hand plant each sapling into deep holes cut into the raised beds, firming the organic soil around their bases in neat rows. To manage water efficiently, workers unroll black drip irrigation lines along the crop rows, securing them beside each plant base. Clear water drops bleed slowly from the emitters, soaking into the ground at the root zone under the blazing sun. As the crop grows, modern smart farming technology takes over daily maintenance. A high-capacity DJI Agris T50 agricultural drone flies automatically above the plant canopy, spraying a misted veil of liquid biofertilizer across the growing leaves. Soon, tiny buds burst into beautiful creamy white elderberry blossoms that glisten with morning dew under the bright sun. Over time, the white petals fall away, leaving small green berries that ripen into plump, dark purple-black fruit clusters packed with natural juices and antioxidants. When the elderberries reach peak ripeness, harvesting teams enter the field wearing protective gloves. Using sharp manual shears, workers cut heavy fruit clusters from the branches, letting each dark cluster fall into their gloved hands. Workers place the cut clusters into heavy-duty plastic field crates, filling them to the top with dark, glossy berries. Workers then load the crates onto a dump truck bed, which carries the fresh harvest out of the sun-drenched desert fields. The truck arrives at a modern processing plant certified to strict ISO and GMP standards. Moving raw berries into the industrial facility, workers in full medical protective clothing carefully tip the crates, pouring elderberries onto a shiny stainless steel wire mesh conveyor set against a sterile epoxy floor. The metal conveyor carries the clusters under high-pressure water spray jets that wash away all lingering sand and dust particles. Immediately after washing, high-powered industrial air blowers sweep strong air currents over the fruit-drying, remaining water off the smooth skins. The berries enter a mechanical destemmer, where rotating beaters gently separate individual fruits from their stems and leaves, ejecting stems through a secondary waste chute. The loose berries roll onto a sorting conveyor illuminated by bright white LED overhead lights, where workers wearing medical gloves inspect the belt, rapidly hand-picking green fruit and stray leaves. The sorted elderberries spill off the conveyor and cascade into a massive industrial stainless steel cooking kettle with a satisfying sound. Inside the heated vessel, a central metal agitator rotates, continuously stirring the fruit as internal thermal temperatures rise. Under heat and mechanical mixing, berry skins break down, turning the fruit into a thick, simmering, deep purple-black liquid mixture. An industrial pump draws the hot mixture through polished stainless steel lines and forces it through a high-pressure membrane filtration system. Pure elderberry syrup flows through the fine mesh into a secondary holding tank, releasing a gentle cloud of steam. Meanwhile, a spiral screw conveyor gathers the remaining fruit pulp and feeds it into a second mixer where it is concentrated into thick elderberry jam. Pumps transfer both syrup and jam into insulated stainless steel storage tanks to await automated bottling. At the bottling line, an automated pick-and-place mechanism gently places clean glass bottles and jars onto the intake conveyor belt. Moving in single file, the glass containers pass through an enclosed UV sterilization chamber where ultraviolet light sterilizes the interiors. The sterilized containers advance until they index precisely under an automated filling manifold held firmly by mechanical neck clamps. Stainless steel filling nozzles lower into the openings and automated valves open, dispensing dark purple-black syrup and jam that glides smoothly down the inside glass walls. Once filled, the nozzles retract upward and the conveyor advances the containers down the line. An optical laser sensor projects a sharp red beam across the neck of each moving bottle to measure fill height. If a bottle is underfilled, a pneumatic cylinder fires, instantly knocking the rejected container off the main belt onto a reject tray. The verified containers proceed into the capping station where the machine places metallic caps onto the threaded rims. A rotary sealing head lowers down, twisting the metal caps tightly into place to form an airtight seal. Immediately after sealing, a high-speed AI camera flashes bright light to photograph the cap rims, inspecting cap orientation and seal integrity in milliseconds. The closed bottles pass past rubber rollers that press them against an automated labeling unit, applying high-grade organic elderberry labels smoothly around the glass body without air bubbles. An optical sensor inspects each label to confirm straight alignment. Next, an industrial inkjet print head sprays micro drops of black ink across the cap rim, printing the exact production date and expiration code at high speed. A lane diverting mechanism splits the single stream of labeled bottles into parallel rows, forming a tight 3x4 grid. A heavy-duty industrial robot armed with vacuum suction grippers lowers over the 12-bottle matrix, lifting all 12 containers at once and placing them into an open cardboard shipping carton. Mechanical flat folding arms close the top box flaps, and an inline taper seals the seam with durable tape. The sealed cartons slide down a roller track into the automated palletizing area. There, a large robotic arm stacks the boxes onto a wooden pallet in a sturdy interlocking pattern. Once full, a motor-driven turntable spins the pallet, wrapping stretch film tightly around the boxes before a thermal blade cuts and seals the film. An electric forklift lifts the pallet and moves through the warehouse, placing the finished pallet onto high-reach racks under bright LED lights, ready for commercial distribution.